Hi, Captain Chris here. Wanted to introduce you to the expansion tank on the top of your engine on the antifreeze or the coolant side. Everybody knows about the radiator cap, and that's what we've got right here. But did you know that there's two different pressure ratings? This one is 15 psi, others may only be 7 or 8 psi. So if you have to replace your radiator cap, make sure you get the correct pressure rating. Also, the proper way to open a radiator cap is to push, turn, and push, turn, and then you can pull the radiator cap off. Check your radiator fluid, antifreeze, coolant, put it back in, twist, and push, twist, and there you go, you're back in business. So if you've got questions about your engines, your dripless shaft seals, starting your generator, or your bow thruster, stern thruster, anything for DIY maintenance aboard your boat, ask Captain Chris.